Okay, and this is here in Culver City end results. We installed first, let me show you that we actually installed concrete curbs around the crawl space entrances, and then we connected all the rain gutter downspout into a drainage system, installed a catch basin, 2 drainage grates. Everything is heading towards the sump pump pit. It's about 6 feet deep, and this is the concrete walkway that we installed all the way with surface drainage as well. Beautiful. Okay, this is the end result here in Culver City. We connected all the rain gutter downspout into a system, installed a surface drainage, concrete walkway. Everything is heading towards the sump pump pit over there in the back. Look how pretty it came out. It's about 42 inches wide, 4 inches thick. Beautiful. We installed the concrete curbs to protect the crawl space entrances. That's beautiful.